Yes, hello guys, thank you so much, and please welcome back to another episode of my channel. Watching this channel for the first time and never met me, I'm Boss KIRK, who travels around the world to lots of interesting places to encourage tourists to travel. And yes guys, and guess where I am today guys? I am right in the central square of Marmaris, and this is going to be the nightlife I'm going to be sharing with you guys. There are going to be lots of clubs, there's going to be lots of restaurants, there's going to be lots of bars, lots of music, lots of fun guys. I'm going to be taking you along this trip guys, and it's going to be a night tour, and we're lots of beautiful boats, people shopping, people doing everything guys. I've got all this to share with you in this video. So thank you so much guys, and let us get into this video. Hello guys, thank you so much, good evening, and welcome to the central of Marmaris. So we are in the central square of Marmaris guys, and we're going to be taking you on this walking tour. So in this video guys, you already know where I'm at. I've already said where I'm at, so I don't have to say much in this video guys. I'm going to leave it to you and let you watch this video and really enjoy it. Thank you so much guys, and enjoy Marmaris Central nightlife.
I bet you want to ask a lot more. I want to know. Yeah, but let's see. I'll check it again. Let's go. Let's go. No, I didn't meet them. I didn't meet them.
guys, I really hope you're enjoying the night tour. So this is the night tour we're giving you tonight, guys, and we're giving you this night tour of Marmaris Square. So this is the square of Marmaris, and really hope you guys are enjoying the tour. So keep enjoying, guys, and let us continue the video. I'll be ready. Natural.
Abi şununla pus koyacağız ya.
Natural.
Koyayım abi. Sit on. Benim İngilizce. Okay.
Teraz co dalej? Marcel, i odejdź, Marcel. I odejdź, idź tam, żart. Odejdź na bok. Odejdź na boczek.
La la la la la.
İki portakal.
Hello, white police.
I hope you're still enjoying the night tour here in the central of Marmaris. It's quite busy here in the night, guys. There's lots of people behind me here, guys. People are walking and people are shouting ice cream, guys. Ice cream, ice cream. Let's go and check and see what's this ice cream. What is this ice cream, guys? You know, let's go and see. What is this ice cream, eh?
I'm here, brother.
You shouting ice cream, eh?
Ice cream.
Eh? Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Yes, boss. Lady.
You guys are shouting ice cream.
Ice cream.
Well, the weather is out anyway. The weather is hot, so you know you will be selling a lot of ice cream. Yeah.
Ice cream.
How much you pay for that, Dimon?
Ben TikTokçu musun? Necisin sen?
Oh, okay, they give you ice cream. Why is it free? Must it free? Free?
Free. No free.
How much? How much is the ice cream, man? You guys, I can hear you guys saying ice cream, you know? So, what's going on?
Oraya ice cream.
Ice cream, man.
Dondurma yemeden göndermedin.
Bak sen, kendi olsa çimdilik yapar.
Yani sağ ol. Geliyor musun?
Evet, ice cream. Ice cream.
Allah'ım.
Valla onlar beni bıraktı gitti.
Evet, buyurun dondurmaları aşağı iç.
Brother, ice cream. Like ice cream, brother. He Ramazan abla.
Bir şey diyorsun, ne işte Karakur'dan
Bu
yapılan.
Karakur olan. Bak bu Karakur.
Ramazan'a mı?
Ramazan bu, Ramazan.
İşi var ama,
Bu mu?
işi var.
O işi.
Kim abi?
Abim abi. Hacı var. Abim abi.
Alo. İyi de Hacı Usta sen ne yapıyorsun ya?
Waffle.
Ha?
Waffle for.
Yapma ya bizde de yok, bizde de yok.
Where are bro?
Yapacak bir şey yok.
Where
Ne
are bro?
yapıyorsun, neredesin?
Ice cream. No. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. Come on. Come on.
I'm coming.
I'm coming. Ice cream. Yes, yes, please. Ice cream. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, yes. What's your name? Which one would you like, brother?
Internet, man.
Brother, which one would you like? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, caramel, lemon. Which one, ice cream? Oğlum uzaklaşma. Lady. Lady Gaga. Yes. Ice cream, buyurun.
Evet, yardımcı olun.
Thank you my friend, thank you boss, thank you. Al bakalım. Al sana. Oraya mı sokalım?
Eh?
Tamam.
Thank you, brother.
Yes.
They're tricking me with ice cream.
Evet, ice cream. Hoş
Melon night ice cream, guys. Melon nice ice cream.
Oh my God, ice cream.
Yes, how many?
Since the guys are saying ice cream over there, guys, I just decided to buy ice cream. They're ice cream. Look, ice cream. Okay, guys, I brought one.
Oh my God, my God. Ice cream.
You guys open tomorrow?
Yeah, everything.
Okay, I'll be back tomorrow for more, yeah? Thank you so much, bro.